mathematics class. Today we will do page number 9. What it is given? Encircle the number that comes just before. Now you have to encircle. That comes just before. So you have to encircle. Encircle means you have to circle the number which comes just before. Now there is a word given here 3 and there are some numbers given, okay, like 1, 2, 5, 4, 6. Now just before you have to encircle the number which comes just before 3. That means just before 3, which number comes before 3? 2 comes before 3. So you have to circle it like that, okay? Another word, if I show you like 4 and there are numbers given like 1, 3, 2, 5, 6. Now you have to encircle that number which comes just before 4. So before 4 we have to read 3. So you have to circle the number 3. Okay. This is how you will do these 3 numbers. Now there comes encircle the number which comes just after. You will do this also. Like that, if it says that not before, you have to after, then you will have to encircle the after number. What will be the after number of 3? That will be 4. What will be the after number of 4? That will be 5. Okay. This is how you will do this chapter. There are between numbers. You will do this also. Okay. Thank you.